In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a corn dog and grow a garden. First, you will need to get a cooking kit from the Garden Guide Achievements. Then, place it down using the cosmetics menu. Once done, put in 1 corn, 1 apple, and 1 pepper. There are alternative recipes, however, this is my favorite. Larger fruits can increase the cooking time, so you may want to use smaller fruit to speed up the process. If you don't have any apple, pepper, or corn seeds planted, then make sure to use a watering can to make them grow faster. Alternatively, you can replace the apple with bamboo or coconut, and the pepper with cactus or bone blossom. Press the cook button, then wait. You can also use your cooking kits in each of your garden slots, allowing you to cook corn dogs twice as fast. Once the countdown has finished, claim your food. Be sure to use any Gorilla Chef pets and cooking pots for a chance to duplicate the food. Open the garden guide, then select Food from the side and select Corn Dog. Scroll down and you will see known recipes for the corn dog. You will need to use 1 ingredient from each category to make a corn dog. This way, you can customize the recipe to your liking. You now know how to make a corn dog and grow a garden. Consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.